Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 hour to make the best game ever. Good, so last session we did get the patch get tool to compile and debug configuration. This session, I think I would like to open one report. I would like to say a discussion. Inventor name. Just new discussion. Code formatting. It was not entirely clear to me what we do or not do. It was not entirely clear to me what we do or not do in the meeting. So the problem is every IDE has different setups. It was not entirely clear to me what we do or not do. It was not clear to me from the meeting what we now do with the code formatting. We did agree that changing all formatting can make integrations hard. Some points. So first, CRLF. Line endings are RN. Line endings are RN. Are we okay with this? Is Linux okay with this? Generally, my understanding is that one settles on that. And do we want to change it for all files or not? Tabs versus spaces. The code uses two space characters or two space. The code uses two space character or tabs as two space character equivalent to do indentation. Let's actually confirm that by looking at some more files, yeah, just to make sure. So we're looking at, let's go to game engine. Let's look at, yeah, some here. So this one, here we cannot really see it well. Let's open it in Visual Studio. Visual Studio, there we go. There we go. Yeah, let's open here some CPPs. Yeah, so here we have yeah. Let's look at, I don't know, bridge behavior. Yeah, it uses, see, and so it aligns perfectly well this way. tabs versus spaces. The code uses 2 space characters or tabs as 2. Actually, let's look at a few more files or rounds. Let's look at, I don't know, compression. Let's compile it out. Let's look at Academy stats. Yeah. Yeah. Man, there's so much documentation in here. It's amazing. Yeah, so this one should be spaces. Yeah. The code uses 2 space characters or tabs as 2 space character equivalent to do indentation. It is not possible to comfortably switch to 4 space character white tabs. We want to change or not. How about we make a pass? How about we apply an automated pass to make all white spacing consistent? Tabs in the middle of a tabs after a code word need to be replaced with spaces. Code uses 2 space characters or tabs as 2 space character equivalent to do indentation. It is not possible to comfortably switch to 4 space character white tabs. How about we apply an automated pass? We apply a format pass to make all white spacing consistent. Tabs leading tabs or leading spaces everywhere. No tabs after a code word. No tabs after a code word. After code words. And I think if we go to Git and we look at something like a change here, F3. Can we? No, we can't open it. So if we do a stash pop here, and here we press F3, search, and then there should be a here, ignore line ending and white space length differences. Yeah, paint. And we take this one and then white space differences across forks should cause no merge conflicts, because white space differences across forks should cause no merge conflicts because merge tools should have the ability to ignore white space differences on merge. Sample image from P4 merge. Okay. It's quite a bit large, that image, but okay. Okay, CRLF, line endings are RN. Are we okay with this? Is Linux okay with this? Generally, my understanding is that one settles on N. Do we want to change it for all files or not? The code uses 2 space characters, or tabs is 2 space character equivalent to do indentation. It is not possible to comfortably switch to 4 space character white tabs. How about we apply a format pass to make all white spacing consistent? Leading tabs or leading spaces everywhere, no tabs after code words. No tabs after code words. White space difference across forks should cause no merge conflicts because merge tools should have the ability to ignore white space differences on merge. Format for new code written. If we do not apply format on the original code, how about we at least try to apply format on all new code? How can we do this? If we do not apply formatting on the original code, how about we at least try, let's say, code formatting on the original. How about we at least try to apply formatting on all new code? How can we do this? Editor config. Okay, and what can this do? One way to do it for Visual Studio is this. Unclear how is the editor config. It is unclear, however, how well this will work in practice. One way to do it for Visual Studio is the editor config. It's unclear, however, how well this will work in practice. If we do not apply code formatting on the original code, how about we at least try to apply formatting on all new code? How can we do this? One way to do it. Okay. Clang formats. Or do we want to apply minimal Clang formatting? Minimal Clang formatting, closely matching the original style. It will incur merge conflicts unless the author that tries to merge to us applies Clang format with our rules before attempting the merge. It is unclear if programmers are willing, or if programmers well, let's ask, is this practical? Would a guide help, assist with it? Would a guide be helpful for this? A minimal Clang formatting. We want to apply Clang formatting closely matching the original code style. It will incur merge conflicts unless the author tries to merge, unless the author applies Clang format with our formatting rules before attempting the merge. Is this practical? Would a guide be helpful for this? We need to settle this, and sadly there is not much discussion about this. I would be fine with either way. I would be fine with Clang format and then somehow provide a guide so that someone can merge to us, or do this. We just change CRLF, fix the tabs and spaces, and then provide some templates that apply format for new code for various editors like Visual Studio, VS Code, and whatever. But yeah, the problem with Clang format is It's very strict. Everyone needs to install the exact same version. It's annoying because you get like build errors before you submit when your formatting is not right. So it's like an extra hurdle. The disadvantage of Clang format is makes submitting more complicated, error prone if when enforced in CI in GitHub builds. Makes submitting more complicating, error prone when enforced in GitHub builds. Requires user to install exact Clang format as is used in GitHub builds. To install and use exact Clang format version as is used in GitHub builds. Clang format can be absurdly frustrating by changing the code in ways the programmer does not want to write his code. Advantages. Let's say disadvantages of Clang format. Advantages of Clang format. Everything, all code looks uniformly formatted. When changing the code in ways the programmer does not want to write his code. Want to write his code. When changing the code in stupid ways, the programmer does not want to see his code. Makes submissions more complicated, error prone when enforced in GitHub builds. Clang format. Let's do here manual format. Okay, so disadvantages of manual formatting. Disadvantages. Code may look different across files and functions. Advantages of manual formatting. Easy submissions. Easily mergeable with other forks and all contributors. No frustrations. No frustrations by auto formatting. No frustrations from bad auto formatting. Codes may look yeah, that's my opinion on this thing. Actually, disadvantage. Lines can be quite a bit long. Can become longer than what GitHub will comfortably show on one page. Require scrolling. And it's can become longer than what GitHub merge tools will comfortably show on one page. Requires scrolling. Our code looks uniformly formatted and is in view. Can make integrations more difficult. Does it work? Is it practical? Do we need a guide? Good, that's my thought on this thing. Good, let's look at it one more. It was not clear to me, blah, blah. Line endings are CRLF. Are we okay with this? Is Linux okay with this? Generally, my understanding is that one settles on N. Do we want to change it for all files or not? The code uses 2 space characters or tabs as 2 space character equivalents to do indentation. It is not possible to confidently switch to 4 space character white tabs. How about we apply a format pass to make all white spacing consistent, leading tabs or leading spaces everywhere, no tabs after code words. White space difference across forks should cause no merge conflicts because merge tools should have the ability to ignore white space differences on merge, like here. Sample image from pforce merge format or for new code written. If we do not apply code formatting in the original code, how about we at least try to apply formatting on all new code? How can we do this? One way to do it for Visual Studio is the editor config. It's unclear, however, how well this will work in practice. Disadvantages: code may look different across files and functions. Line can become longer than what GitHub merge tool will comfortably show on one page. Requires scrolling. Advantages: easy submissions, easily mergeable with other forks and all contributors, no frustrations from bad auto formatting. Clang format: or do we want to apply Clang formatting closely matching the original code style? It will incur merge conflicts unless the author applies Clang format with our formatting rules before attempting the merge. Does it work? Is this practical? Do we need a guide? Disadvantages of Clang format: makes submissions more complicated, error prone when enforced in GitHub builds, requires user to install and use exact Clang format version as is used in GitHub builds. Clang format can be absurdly frustrating when changing the code in stupid ways a programmer does not want to see his code. Advantages: all code looks uniformly formatted and is in view. Yeah, that's my current thought on this. Then Code formatting. Good. Start discussions. Good. I would like to get some traction on this and get a decision, because this needs to be settled before we do any changes to the code. And we haven't done this, and I don't understand why. I was hoping that we would have it settled. We need some. Either it needs to be manual format or Clang format or some other formatter. Like Clang format is equivalent with others, but typically it would be Clang format. Either both are fine for me. I don't know which one I prefer. I mean, both have advantages and disadvantages. I do like the freedom of the manual format because it allows to do things that the Clang doesn't allow. The Clang can be really frustrating when it puts something in a format that I don't like. So I think I would prefer the manual format, but this would require every contributor to be cautious about their formatting and like have good principles on making their code nice. And we would need like this editor config or something that helps that programmers their new code looks to what our rules are, right? Yeah. So I would be okay with this, but I would also be okay with this. Yeah. I don't know. Both have their perks and disadvantages. Hard to say. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Can I play a label? I don't know. Good. I hope that we can get some traction on this. Yeah. Don't save. Good. What do we do next? Right. So sorting the include path only targets. Sorting the includes path. Yeah. Right. Okay. So we are looking for in the CMake files to include CMake lists.txt, right? And we are looking at // right? This one. We want to eliminate this bullshit. Yeah. Why is this called Game Engine G? Oof. Let me see. Game code. The CMake. No. Builds. Generals.exe. Yeah, okay, that's nice that they are now built into subfolders. How about we... Oof. Now we have all this junk here. That doesn't matter. Game engine debug. Generals code. Game engine debug. Yeah, so why is this called Game Engine G? Can we see that? Device G. Is that necessary? How about we change it to game engine device and replace. Okay. And then we do game engine G to game engine. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's see if that compiles. Oof. Configuring incomplete. Fatal error. Oof. Okay. Well, that's unexpected. Configuring incomplete. Errors occurred. It doesn't say what though. Huh. It shouldn't error. Why is it erroring? Configure incomplete. Configuring. Maybe we need to reconfigure it. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's go up folder. And then we do dbuild generals tools on. Okay. Configuring incomplete. What is the problem? Does it say? CMake error. Ah, there. Okay. Cannot create target because another target. Oh. Oh. Okay, but it's in a different folder. Why is it not working? Huh. Another target with the same name already exists. And the source directory. Huh. Okay. But then why is it possible to then like do this here where make it a bit larger so you can see it? Why is this then possible that it can be called game engine debug here and also for 0 hour the same name? Why does this work for debug? Output name. Aha, so the output name is different here. Okay. But it looked like to be a G here, no? Here, game engine device G. That doesn't really work, apparently. Okay, let's do the following. We revert this garbage. We revert this. Okay, we search for game engine G. Remove that. So how about we take this guy and we go to game engine device G. So this is set target properties, public include. Yeah, so maybe we should do the same here. Output name, game engine device, game engine device. Oof. How about we add a lane break here? Game engine device, debug, game engine device. It's a bit unholy here. How about we search for all of these strings? Game engine. Let's search for this one here. Game engine device. Game engine. Game engine. I'm not sure why he gives it different names in debug. Is that really necessary? Man, this message here, it annoys me. How do we get rid of this? Game engine device. It still pops up even though I said to not come up anymore. I don't understand this. These people, they can't develop software. It's unbelievable. Goddamn pop-ups. Okay, so we have a debug and a device. And I don't debug. Yeah. Game engine debug G. No. Yeah, I don't know why he actually put it, so let's remove this here again. Yeah, let's do it like this. So we have this and this. I think that's all right. Okay. And we also want to add interfaces for these things. Yeah, right. How do we do that? I'm not sure. We are in generals. Let's go here. Game engine. Libraries. There we go. Okay. Would we do it here? Okay, how do we create an interface library? Interface library CMake. Add library sources. Okay, so I think we simply need to add library, and we say libraries. So this is, yeah, libraries, library headers, header, library headers, interface. And then here we would say include, and that's it, right? And then maybe there should be another one, library, maybe libraries, maybe call it game libraries. Game libraries. Include. Game libraries. Game libraries. Headers. Game libraries headers. Oof. I don't know. Game libraries source. I'm not sure. Man. Yeah, I think it should be in here. Probably needs to be here. Yeah. So it probably needs to be up here. Interface, libraries, Libraries include sources. Libraries, sources. Libraries include sources. I'm not sure. Let's search. Well, let's go into some tool. So we are looking at here. Libraries include GUI edit. Yeah. So and there we would now take game libraries. How about we call it includes? Game libraries include. Yeah. How about we call it ZH. ZH. Or generals MD. Wow. Gen ZH. Which is ZH. ZH libraries includes. Yeah. How about we take that? And then let's try it. So we would remove this one here. Oops. And then here we would put that. That's not the comments. There's a comment. Okay, let's try this. Man. Where's the... Fatal error. Cannot find source file. Oh. Source. Oh boy. Oh, it's so hard to see here the hierarchy in this program. Is this one? Yeah. How about to make it easier to find, we also put this here. Let's make a long one like this. Okay, so this should be source. There we go. Okay, let's search for this. Control F. Okay. So we are looking at patch get GUI edit. There we go. Okay, let's try them one more time. Yeah. Actually, how about we use the time to look a bit here at our the repository. Let's see. This is a topic that interests me. AKU. AKU. I don't know what that means. AKU. Beyond all reason. What is that? Oof. Ultimate real-time strategy. Bar Alpha. Screenshots. Looks cute, but I think that's not my cup of tea. It's too futuristic. Yeah. Okay. Network logging improvements. In addition, it is worth checking before merging whether the feature can also be implemented for generals. Yeah, I don't care about generals. So if someone wants to replicate it on generals, then that's fine. Otherwise, also fine. Yeah. I would imagine that most developers will entirely focus on 0 Hour because that's the most popular game of the two. General's not really. Okay, small update to terrain. And yeah, that one needs an update. Yeah, he needs to update this pull with what was commented. So we cannot merge this. I wanted to write a bit more about the texture guidelines, but now we are busy with things. Okay, we do have an error. Aha. Cannot open include file. Okay, so it does not find lib base type. Lib base type. Okay. Before it included libraries include. And now it cannot find it. So it's not working right. Yeah. Good. How do we deal with this? Libraries include. I thought that would work. Code. Generals MD. Let me see. Generals MD code. So use library. Library include and then lib. It should find lib in there. If it's given this folder, it should find. Libraries include. Library source. Library source. Libraries include. How do we do that? Contains internal libraries. Yeah. Add library interface headers. How to create a CMake header only library. Target sources. Interface. Let's see. Add library interface. Include directories. Maybe we need to do it like this, yeah. Okay, it's yeah. Libraries include, yeah. So we remove this here, move this here. And source. Okay, let's see if that works. Yeah, so okay, initial draft for Docker build, okay. Ah, this one I was asked to merge, right? Okay. So what happened now here in this change? Okay, so we added the pull here that looks DM green crab hat, okay. Resolve conversation. He added that. Spiral, okay. Hilisi. Change from te hilisi to te hilisi, okay. Hilisi, te hilisi, okay. Hilisi. Ta hilisi, okay. Ta hilisi. Ta hilisi, okay. Some very beautiful characters here. Okay, that looks good. Fixed. Okay, that is also fixed. That is also fixed. Needs to the merge conflict needs to be fixed. If you cannot do it, well, let me just do it for him. The merge conflicts needs to be fixed. Okay, so we go to PL helix edit. It's on this repository. Oof. What happened? Error repository not found. Could not fetch empty king 4. Huh. Did he delete his account or what happened? Interesting. I didn't expect that. Let me see. Empty king 4. Huh. Looks like he has deleted his repository. Has cleaned it up. Interesting. Well, in that case, we remove him from the list here. Let's make sure we select the correct one. Okay, that works correctly. And now we should have the PL helix. Yeah. So the PL helix, we do a rebase on main. Right click, rebase, and then rebase. And there's a merge conflict, so oof. Let's see. Open. Okay. And seems to be not a problem. Yeah, okay. Then we save it. Close. Continue. And another merge conflict. Let's save, close, continue rebase. And there we go. Okay. So that should be fine. Hopefully. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Let's push it. There we go. I got a comment here on this. What do I now do? My 2 cents using Clang will allow for enforcement of design rules. And I also assume that by working on VC22, where we no longer worry about compatibility, we'll be able to apply design rules to the original current code as well. Yeah, but this is not about compatibility with 1.04. It's about fundamentally touching all files right now. So it's not about that. It's detached from compatibility concerns. It's like, how do we deal with source files? Yeah. Yeah. Good. Update. Blah 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 blah. All good. Blah. Everything is correct now. Yeah. Okay. So, can I approve it or? Yeah, I think so. Let's look at it once more. Yeah. Good. Then we approve it. Approve. Okay. And then change request. Where? I think it's done, isn't it? Dismiss review. Done. Done. Okay. Yeah. Squash and merge. Update Polish helix name. What about the labels? Text. Okay. Update helix name in Polish strings. Or let's say improve helix name in Polish strings. Okay. Confirm squash and merge. All right. Then we do a delete branch. Then we go to main, check out, pull latest. There we go. And then we do fetch and prune. And then we delete this one. Okay. There we go. Okay, good. Then let's check the compilation. It succeeded. Hey, good. That's nice. Okay, so this approach works. I do wonder if we should put these guys into another file. So we don't have put them here, but higher up. Is that possible? Here, in the highest of generals MD. Yeah. So before all the code is included. Hold on, what is inside the code? Code. In code we have libraries main and engine. Code and run. No, I think we can have it here. It's okay. No, we put it here. So it should be a good location here. Yeah. Good. So then the first step we do is we search for all occurrences of this one. Yeah. Actually, yeah, we need to ZH libraries include ZH libraries. Yeah, let's do libraries include. Libraries include. Let's try with this name first. Okay, so we have game engine. Yeah, okay, let's add everything that we see here. So we have game engine. How about we do it with underscores, and it's easier to read this bullshit, right? Game engine include. Game engine device. Device include. Good. Then game engine. So I make a copy of these guys. So we have game engine include, game engine device include, game engine device, libraries include. Okay. What else? So here we have a bunch more stuff. Source. Library source. So we have library source www Vegas. Then we have Vegas www3d2 www debug lib math save load. Good. Then we take these guys. Source www Vegas. Then we do the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we put an additional folder. We need to copy 1, 2. Oh, the monkey work. Let's put a space here. Good. So we have mass, library source, Vegas. So this is www3d2. The slash is the wrong way around. Okay, so we're looking at www debug, www lib, www math, www save load. All right. Good. So we have that. That already looks promising. Let's see. What else do we have? We have game engine as well. CMake list game engine. Game engine. Okay. So we put another game engine up here. Game engine. All right. Then we have that. We have main. Main. Okay. Let library main. Main. Maybe main. How about we change the naming to I for interface. I. Okay. Okay, what else do we have here? think this concerns most of them. There are a few more outliers here. Here, pluglib and toolkit and so on. We can deal with these afterwards. Yeah, okay, I think this covers most of these things. Okay, then let's do the following. We take these guys, we put them into a temporary document here. Let me put it into a notepad so we can format it a bit. And I think here it's easier to select. Yeah. Okay, and then we go to, let's start at the bottom, maybe. Let's see. So we're looking at these three. We have a device engine libraries, device engine libraries. So we're looking at these three, right? I think we should clean this up here, makes it easier to see. Okay. Okay, so I think we need these three guys here. Okay. Then we put this here. Okay. Maybe we can remove that spacing. Okay. Then the next, so this covers this one, and that one, yeah. Then we go to the next. By the way, maybe let me go back here. Maybe we should sort these by alphabet. I think that was with F9, right? Yeah. There we go. Okay. Okay, then we go to okay. So got this guy. This is libraries include. Let's go down here. Libraries, this one. So put that here. Okay. Next one. Particle editor. Okay, this one has a lot here. Wow. Maybe more than it actually needs. Why does it need safe load? What the hell? Does it need that? I find this really suspicious. How about we just add, for starters, let's add nothing. How about that? Let's add nothing. Let's see what it errors on. Okay, here we have libraries includes. Yeah. Oh, what is this formatting? The hell, man. Oh. Good. Here we have another. Libraries include. This is weird. Like I put a tab, I press Control V, and it puts it at the start. What is this bullshit? I'm telling you, these people, they can't write code. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable how noob shit the software nowadays is. It's like it's so stupid. Why would you make such a mistake? It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Absolute noob shit. By the way, I think we did a mistake here, right? We also need to add source. Okay, we got that. Oof. Include source. Okay, and we need target link libraries. 0 hour private include source. There we go. And then what do we have here? Oof. Oh, generals MD code library source profile target link libraries profile. So hold on, this goes 2 folders up, 1, 1, 2, and then include. Okay, so this is libraries include profile private or public. Man, stop it, man. Okay, compression public. Okay, main. Private. Include, public include. Okay, private. Target link libraries. Aha, we should make it private. Target link libraries. Okay, private. What is this header shit? I don't want to type that and it auto-completes it. These softwares are so retarded with the auto-completion bullshit. I cannot believe it. Include source main. These people who write these formatting tools, they don't know what they're doing. They have no clue. It's remarkable how these people have a job. Maybe they don't. That's why they push out the stuff here. Like what is this error down here? What is this formatting rules? It's absolutely mind-boggling how bad this is. I really don't get it. Man, how much is there? Private, good. Let me do another target link libraries. Private. Again, it auto-completed to header and I did not want this. It's outrageous how bad this is. Good, so here we want libraries include, there we go. So we comment this out. Good, what else? Okay, we don't touch generals yet, so only 0 hour for starters. Game engine. Game engine. Okay. Game engine. Why is game engine not including this already? Generals MD, game engine. Okay. Hold on, this is a link directory. This is different. Link directory is different. Yeah. Okay, we probably have a bunch of compile errors now. I think we also made a bunch of mistakes. Let's review this once more. So let's go, oops. Let's go here. So this was private and this is also private. So, okay, so this is good. This was private and now this is also private, okay. Here we have not added anything yet, so we wait for the compiler. Yeah. Here we have private, okay. Private, private, yeah. Here we need to change the name. Libraries include I, okay. Private, okay. Private, 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 private header, private, private, okay. This is different. Private, public, Let's change this to private. And here we need a copy of that and make it private and stop with the header shit. Oh man, and then we move this up. And again, it changed the indentation and I didn't ask it to do that. It's outrageous how bad this is. Oh man. Remarkable. Good, anything else? This is private, link libraries, okay. Private, yep. Okay, I think this looks good. So, except for particle editor, everything might compile now. Maybe. Let's save all, okay. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, so far so good. Yeah. Yeah. It should error on particle editor, right? That's our expectation. And then we just need to see what header libraries we should link in there. Because to me it looks suspicious that it would link against all these WW Vegas thingies. So like, why would it need that particle editor? Well, maybe it makes sense. I don't know. Okay, but we are making progress. That's good. Okay, so we got this one merged. That's good. Man, there's so many topics. I don't know what to pick here. There's a bunch of things that got merged. Yeah. Done. Navbar. Okay. Localization contribution. What is that? Looks like this one is missing Arabic, no? Review existing ones. Okay, Arabic, yeah. Oof, so much info here. Dang. How does it look in view file? Oof. 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 It's a lot of info here. Can read for days. Okay. What is this one here? That's a duplicate, okay. Done. Oof. Should probably catch up at some point, just go through everything. Yeah. And read everything, maybe. I'm guilty last days of just skimming over conversations and not really paying attention, which I think is a bit of a mistake. Because there's always something that maybe you want to catch on, but on the other hand, it's just too much. And I would just be reading the entire day, you know? I mean, if I had no job and nothing else to do, then yeah, I could do that, but Okay, is it still compiling? Oof. I was hoping it would have failed by now. Yeah. Yeah. There was so much activity last week. It was really outrageous. It seems to be already dying down a bit. Yeah. It was like a couple of days where it was really peaking. Everyone was excited. Yeah. Before the source code was released, there was almost no development. I mean, there was development here and there, but like not much combined effort. And it was just with the release of the source code, everyone got together. And now it seems like people build together, but I don't know for how long this will last. Like typically contributors come and go. I would say it's pretty rare for a contributor to stick. Yeah. I mean, Omniblade has been there for 8 years, and the other Thyme guys as well. And Game Patch Project, Commie did a lot of work, but is missing now. Yeah. Yeah. We will see what the commitment will be long term. Yeah. Well, you can count on my commitment. I'm not getting tired. I'm not getting tired, so I will go through as long as it takes. Yeah. The more people help contributing, obviously, the faster everything develops, right? But like, let's say everyone disappears, yeah, then I would be on my own again. Yeah, but there's always someone, and I hope everyone stays excited and contributing. Right now it looks really good, especially in the wiki department. There's a lot of activity. Yeah, Tanso takes care of maps. That's good. Maybe we have Zeke and Lima taking care of textures and models soon. Yeah. Although with models, yeah, we are not yet sure regarding build pipeline. That needs looking at, but yeah, textures is something that we can already like get off the plate for the most part, I would say. Especially because it's already very far. So it's just like keep polishing it, add all the rest that is missing, and then yeah, there should be an end to it. Textures with textures there is end on the horizon. With models, I don't know what the state is there. My expectation is what I've noticed is when I started with the textures, I didn't quite see the amount that is lingering in the textures to fix. I didn't see it. When you just look at something quickly for short time, you don't see it. I don't see it. So I think someone really needs to spend a significant amount of time to really get to the bottom of it and really fix everything. So and I expect the same will be true for the models. Like if someone just like looks at the model once and just fixes a couple of things that he notices, I think there's a very high chance that a lot of things will be missed. So you probably need to spend like multiple review passes. Look at this model here, then fix some things, put it away, look at it again, fresh. Find some more, again. Drop it, and then look at it again later. And eventually you will find something again. And yeah, only after you really do not find anything anymore in a new sitting, then it's probably good enough. Yeah. I have this with textures. I did multiple review passes, and on several occasions, many times, second, third, fourth, fifth review pass, I see something new and I realize, oh, I should do it this way, because that still doesn't quite serve what all the things that we see here, right? It requires a lot of attention. Yeah. Change to campaign lines. What is that? Separate text change to campaign lines. What is that? Mission 1 to... What is this? 9 to 16? Huh. Oh, wow. Huh. So the French... The French counted the missions differently. Missions 2 to 8, 9 to 16, 17 to 23. That's really odd. But maybe not odd, because it tells you how much is in there. How much missions are in there, right? So this one tells you there's 7 missions. 6 missions. 6 missions. Yeah. Okay, when was this added? 2 weeks ago. This needs documentation in str and be appended and be added to a new or existing YAML where appropriate. I mean, yeah. I wonder if this was intentional in the French one, that they counted the missions like this, but it doesn't make much sense, right? Why would you start with 2 to 8? It doesn't make sense. So I think this fix is good. Same for Italian. Yeah. Interesting that this was 3. Huh. They had it the other way around. So it would start with campaign 3, 2, 1. Why? That's so weird. Huh. That's so weird. So here it says Campaña Campaña 3. Can we... I'm a bit confused. So here it says Campaña 3. Campaña 2. 3, 2, 3. Campaña 3, 3. Yeah, I think it makes sense. Yeah. Campaña. But here, what about this one? So here it's Campaña with a number. Mission. Tooltip. Tooltip to display what missions are in which campaigns. These are shown when mousing over the campaign buttons in the menu. Is that true? You mouse over and it shows you this? Okay, so we have particle editor. Yeah, we have an error. Game client cannot open game client particles. Okay, then let's add some Okay, hold on. Game client. That sounds like it's game engine. Let me see. Game engine includes game client. Yeah. Okay, then we do game engine includes. Okay, then we try to build that again. So does the mouse over tool tip in campaign work according to the context tip context comment above. This was meant to show details about the campaign missions, to show mission information of the campaign. Yeah, strange. And my suspicion is that this one is actually not used. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, lib base type. Okay, that one is this one. Libraries. There we go. And yeah, good. Okay, what else? This looks good. Fatal error. Oh, okay, it looks for Mars. Okay, WW Mars. Okay, so that means we do need this one here. So we're looking for, let's copy it from here. This one. There we go. Okay. Increase maximum player count. Oof. Yeah. Let's mark these as red. Listen mode. Actually, I probably want to look at these. Angry mob bug. Units walk into enemies. Angry mob is so broken, the units decide to walk into the enemy instead of shooting at it. So what did he change? Increase the speed. Increase movement speed of injured GLA angry mob members to prevent them from falling behind and dying. Injured members no longer slow down the GLA angry mob. This way they no longer lag behind and die off at a distance. Yeah, okay. Okay, this report can be closed if angry mob walking is already okay in patch. Good. Always.age. Oof, where's that file? Huh. Always.age. Oof. wwlib. Okay. I assume it belongs to wwlib. Let's see. Looks like we are, after all, adding all these things here. Yeah. If we now add one more thing, I will just add all of them. Yeah. Yeah, it's still matrix. Yeah, let's add all of these guys. Yeah. So we have debug, math, save loads. Good. Are these all? Hold on. Is this even correctly written? Oh. Oh. It's not. So we're looking at always.age. Let's try that. Mass save loads. And ww3d2. 3d2. What about 3d3? 3d4? Yeah. Yeah. Did it pass? Maybe. Yeah. Maybe it's already over its particle editor. Yeah. Maybe you can put a few more words here on texture guidelines. This one. Please. Arctic Dolphin suggested something similar. PST file verification would be pretty nice. There can be a lot of pitfalls that could be verified by tooling. For example, to check if a merged layer contains actually the merged version of the referenced PSD. Actually contains the merged version of the referenced PSD. House merged layer is expected to be identical to house.psd composite. For example, house merged layer house merged is expected to be identical to a house PSD composite. Okay, what I wanted to write is typical errors in textures and how to fix them. Oof, well, this is complicated. Typical. Oof. I mean, we can look at our. This has succeeded. Look at that. Before we look. Yeah, let's clean here up first. So that's good. Then I think we can remove. Yeah, so it has compiled. That's great. That means we can clean this garbage. Yeah. So this is private. Yeah. Okay. Private, yeah. We can delete this. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. We still have a few things left over here, but yeah. Yeah, I think here it's not the end of the world with these guys. What about this one though? Target link direct ties. Code main. Hmm. 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 Is this even necessary? Hold on. I wonder. Let's see. Maybe it's not necessary. I'm okay with the tools here because they are relative to each other here. I think that's not too bad. It's like within the tool, so it's probably okay for now. Hmm. Oh, actually, I don't want to write this today. This will be. I think we need another session for this. It's too much now. Maybe we should just concentrate on what we're already doing here. Not do another thing. I'm already doing way too much different things. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, it looks like it would compile without this, which is good. Yeah. The more stuff we can get rid of, the better, right? Yeah, okay, that compiles. That's great. Then we can remove it. I suspect that this also exists in here. So I suspect we can also remove it here. Yeah. Let's double check. Okay, so far so good. Then we need to also transfer those changes to generals here, to these guys. Which should be straightforward. Actually, we should have not removed these things yet, maybe. Let's see how our diff looks. This looks good. Yeah. Here, something is wrong here. Profile, CMake list. Profile, CMake list. Huh. I don't know what the difference here is. Something is wrong here. I don't see what though. Oh. There we go. Maybe we should show somehow here white spaces. Can we do that? Diff view. We can't show white spaces, but we can maybe see it in here. No. View, edit, preferences. Can we show white space? Show tabs and spaces. There we go. No. Show tabs and spaces. It's not showing. I don't see it. Ah, we had to restart it. Okay, I like that. Yeah, that's helpful. Okay, how about we already make a change for this guy and this guy. So here we fixed, what did we fix? Oh, nothing really. Nothing. What about the e-main? Did we use it? Here, game engine device. Yeah. Okay. Does it compile? Yeah. Okay, let's try to transfer these changes to generals. So we need to copy this guy, go to main CMake lists, main CMake lists, generals, there we go. Then we add these guys here at the top. Oh, that doesn't look right. Huh? Main CMake list, main CMake list, code. Oh, main CMake. Huh? Code CMake list. Oh god. Code CMake list. There we go. There we go. Okay, I assume that the folders will be the same. Okay, so world builder. What do we do here? World builder. World builder. We take these guys and we put them here. And then we remove these. Okay. Patch get. This one is not in here yet, but I think the particle editor is. Yeah, particle editor. We copy these guys. Hold on. The question will be if there won't be any name conflicts. Now we will see. Then we have main. Here. Target. Target, include directories, generals, 0 hour. There we go. Generals. Okay, looks like we can also move it up here. This is in main CMake lists. Okay, game engine device. There we go. Game engine. Okay, well, let's see if that works. Maybe there will be conflicts here with those names. I'm not sure. Could be. Good. Good, let's see. So we have that. Do we have any other dots left? No. We can remove that. Okay. So that looks pretty clean now. Then let's see if that would compile. I would say 50-50. Yeah, okay, that already exists. Okay, so what we need to do is let's do IG, maybe. Interface generals. Or GI, generals interface. Yeah, GI. we do IG. IG, I don't know. IG. Yeah, let's go with IG. I don't have a better idea. IG. Interface generals, so to say. Okay, and then we go to... Oh, hold on, are we in the correct one? No, that's the wrong one. Revert. Generals. CMake list. There we go. Good, so here we do IG. There we go, IG. Then we go to now all the places. Yeah, IG. Or we do GI. GI. Generals interface. No, maybe that's better. Decisions need to be made. Okay, let's try that. Main libraries. Okay. Here, GI. Game engine. GI. Private, okay. Include link. Okay. Okay. And then tools, we have some more. Particle editor. GI. And world builder. GI. Okay. Let's see if that compiles now. File, save all, okay. Well, yeah. That looks promising. My gosh. Looks good. If it goes through. Okay, it looks promising. Let's take a look at these changes. So, I think we need to be more consistent with the naming convention around this G prefix. Maybe we should have G for generals, or gen, and ZH for 0 hour. Yeah. I'm inclined to make a prefix here with Z. If we can do that. Let me see. I. CMake list. I. So basically we start here. And we do a replacement ZI underscore. And we replace here one by one. Okay. So for 0 hour, we use ZI, 0 hour interface. And for generals, we use GI. think that's fair. Let's do that. Okay, and then here we would say we would take all of these changes yeah, what have we changed here? Nothing, right? Nothing. Yeah, how about we revert these to reset? Oh, did we do a mistake now? Yeah, I think we did a mistake. Now we reverted the entire game engine thingy. Okay. Well, error. We need to remake it now. So that will be private. Private. This is generals, GI, libraries, include, library source. ZI. Let's add a bit of documentation. Is this all by the way? Yeah, probably fine. Let's add a bit of documentation to CMake code. No. Code. There we go. Z stands for 0 hour. I stands for interface. Okay. Then we move the same guy to generals here. G stands for generals. I stands for interface. Maybe bundle this closer together. Okay. This should now compile. There we go. Okay, this looks very promising. Let's already stage that. I think that's all that's needed currently. And then I would like to add this G and Z prefix also to game engine and game engine device, because right now only generals has the suffix, but I think that's not very consistent. It's kind of sneaky. Sneaky, yeah. I don't like it. Should be more explicit. Oh, we still have an I here. Uh-oh. Image packer. I libraries include. There we go. ZI. There we go. Stage. Okay, though this has somehow completed even though there was an error in there. That's strange. That's strange. Okay, and so yeah, let's compile once more. Since we touched now a few more files. Let's see. Yeah, but this looks good to me now. I do actually wonder if it should be named GI now. IG, I mean. IG and IZ. Because then the order will be closer in the libraries list, yeah. 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 Because now with ZI, the ZIs will be at the end if we sort them by alphabet. And the GI will be somewhere else, and then they don't cross-reference that nicely. Yeah, I think that's why we should do IG, IZ. But on the other hand, if we have a Z libraries, no, it doesn't really matter, I guess, because, yeah. Whether it would have to be a suffix otherwise. Yeah. No, let's leave it a prefix. Yeah. Oh, we got errors now. Game engine G. Target link libraries. Game engine. Oh boy. Game engine. Right. Let's try that again. Okay, so this will be replace parent header lookups with, let's say replace most parent header lookups with library interfaces. Okay, so far so good. Okay, that has completed. World Builder Gen. I would say we do, yeah, so replace most parent header lookups with library interfaces. Okay, so that compiles, yeah. Let's commit that guy. And then let's make another improvement, and that is, so we have game engine, right? So this one, game engine G. Okay, how about we call it G game engine? G game engine. Let's try that. Okay. Then we go to game engine G. Yeah, and that we call Z game engine. Okay. Then we take game engine device G and call that G game engine device. Then we go to device Z. Then we go to world builder gen. World builder gen. And we call that G world builder. Then we go to world builder and we call that Z world builder. Okay. And is there anything else we would like to rename? Let's see. So we have main. Let's see. Generals. So that is called generals, and the other is called 0 hour. Generals and 0 hour. I would be inclined to keep this generals, yeah, and the other one this one here, I would be inclined to call general ZH. General 0 hour generals ZH. Is that fair? I think that is fair. Okay, what else do we have? So we have game engine, we have serve G underscore. Okay. Device we have as well. Here we have game engine debug. Let's call this G game engine debug. G game engine. And then here CMake run game engine device, game engine here. Z game engine, Z game engine debug. Okay. Okay, anything else? Libraries. www Vegas. Source. Oh, you can actually jump a folder. I didn't know that. Okay. www Vegas. Oh, he also put the G here at the end. Okay, and how about we change that as well? G www common. G. Okay. 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 www Vegas. What else? Vegas. Vegas. There's more CMakes. Oh boy. G. Oof. 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 Save load. Math G. GWW math. Lib. Lib. Download. Download. Debug audio. Debug. Debug. Audio. Audio. Okay. Okay. Okay, what else? Miles. WL setup, Z, WL setup, version update, Z, version update, oops, right, timing tests. All right. Texture compress. Texture compress. There we go. Patch get. Patch get. Patch grabber. I think here we simply put Z. Particle editor. Particle editor. Z particle editor. Okay. Matchbot. Z matchbot. Nee. That's matchbot. Web cache builder. Okay, Mangler. That's not quite right here. Launcher. Launcher. There's more. Dutchen. Image list. Image packer. Oof. Okay. It's a lot of work. GUI edit. GUI edit. There we go. Okay. Debug window. Set. Set compress. Okay. And then we need to also move these CMakes to the generals tools. That is probably one of the last steps. Babylon. Okay, but the CMakes look already pretty decent, I would say. Yeah, a little bit more polishing and it will be very pretty. Set auto run. There we go. Asset car. Okay. Let's subtract. Okay. So there's probably a few more things we have not done yet. Let me see. So we went through all the tools. We renamed this one here. Maybe we should actually call this. Maybe we should actually call this Z generals and then give it an alias, like it does for some other things. So we call it generals H. Call it Z generals. Yeah. And then we put this, what is it? Like this one here, right? This one, target properties. Yeah, set target properties, set generals, output name. Set generals debug. Generals ZH debug. Generals ZH. Is that fair? Maybe it should be always the same. Yeah, for this one, let's put it the same. Yeah, let's for now let's just output like this. Yeah. Okay, and we do the same in main here. So this one is generals. And we rename this one to G generals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Okay. And then here we say G generals, outputs generals. Okay. Okay, and then let's go to 0 hour. We're still missing some stuff. I wouldn't be surprised if we have a bunch of compile errors now. Oh, I'm getting tired. Game engine device. That's correct already. That one's correct. Okay. Libraries lib include. Okay. Source. Oof. We also have here. Oof. Okay. Compression. Huh? It's not showing anything here. Oh. We had to press enter. Okay, so this one. This one is. Yeah. Okay. Compress, compression. Okay. Compression. Good. Benchmark, there's nothing. Browser dispatch. Browser dispatch. That's browser dispatch. This one, this. Game spy, profile. Generals MD. Profile. Yep. Yeah, no. Oof, we changed so much. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a lot of compile errors. Yeah. Oof. 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 That's wrong. Oh. Man. Mass. Lib. Download. Debug audio. Audio. 3D2. 3D2. Oof. Are we done or not? I'm not sure. It's a lot of stuff. Libraries. Benchmark compression. There's nothing in here. So it looks like generals currently will use some of the 0-hour libraries, which we have broken now because we haven't touched them there. Let's, I think we will get compile hours now. A bunch of them. Oof. Yeah. Yeah. Damaged model of the supply dock doesn't load in game. Okay. Damaged model. Where the supply dock simply cannot be damaged, right? I don't think that's a bug per se. It's more like a design question, right? I think that is more like that is more of a design question. I would not touch this because supply docks cannot be destroyed and likely should not. Or probably we should not, because no one expects them to. Okay, so we get errors. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's see. Tools CMake lists. Okay, there we made an error. Let's see what it is. Yeah. Ah, let's see. Okay, that is fixed. Man. Maybe we should just take a break now and then continue it next session. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I think we can already push what we have here. Push. Yeah. I think the tracking here is broken on this one, isn't it? Manage. Because of this one here. Okay, now it's correct, yeah. Okay, I think we continue this next session. It's a bit too much now. I can't concentrate anymore. Yeah, but I think this is the right direction. So 0-hour libs and programs we start with Z, and the generals with G, and I think that makes it easier to identify them. Yeah, yeah, I like that. That's good. Good. I will take a break here for this day, and then next time we wrap this up, and then afterwards we make one more change where we order all the headers correctly in the libraries, because it's not alphabetically sorted and it's a bit unholy. Yeah, okay. But I'm happy with the progress we did today. Did a whole bunch of administrative things, and here a little bit of polishing and fixing. Oh, that's good. Good. Yeah, it's still compiling happily, but we don't care. Good. There was 3 hours 20. Oh, hell no. Oh, wow, okay, that went smoothly. All right, then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.